Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to be inserting any pictures doing a wash day routine, but rather talking about a South African brand called the Moisture Factory. I have posted some pictures on Instagram and Facebook. I did receive the products for free from the Moisture Factory and I've been using them off camera. So today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on each product and what it was like using them. But let's start off with what products did they send me. They sent me their shampoo. This is a deep cleansing shampoo and it's an anti-breakage formula. I love the new packaging from the Moisture Factory. I've used the brand before and I didn't really like it. So I'm revisiting the brand again and I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on each product that I'm showing you guys. And I started off with the shampoo. They also sent me their co-wash. It has different packaging, but this co-wash is also an anti-breakage formula. They sent me a Nourishing Conditioner. This packaging is very similar to the shampoo's packaging. I also got a Detangler. It's a 2-in-1 and it promises to detangle and moisturize. Also an anti-breakage formula. I then got their Custard, which is an anti-breakage formula that promises curl formation as well as moisture retention. And the last product that they sent me is a hair elixir, which is an oil. As I said, I've been using these products off camera and I'm going to start off with the shampoo and my thoughts. So I absolutely love the packaging and I like how lightweight the shampoo is. I think during summer, most of you are going to absolutely love this shampoo and it's very soft. It cleanses really nicely. The smell, it smells like coconut, so it has a very nice smell. As I said, it's lightweight and it really does give a good cleanse. When it comes to the co-wash is a little bit different and it also smells different as well. This has more of a peppermint type of smell and it is a co-wash. During the winter time, I do personally like to co-wash. So co-washing is something that I do. And as I said, they smell very differently. This doesn't really foam up because it is a co-wash. It has a nice peppermint smell and it also does cleanse the hair nicely. Then there's the Nourishing Conditioner. I use this as a rinse out conditioner and I also left it in my hair for about 30 minutes as like a deep conditioner. So I used it both ways. When it comes to the smell, this smells amazing. It smells like bubble gum. Absolutely amazing smell. Really nice slip. Applies on nicely. I could detangle with this as a rinse out conditioner. It did a very good job. I left it in for a little bit longer. It did a fairly good job as well. So this Nourishing Conditioner gave me enough slip to detangle as well as condition my hair very nicely during the winter time. The next product is one of my favorites, the Detangler. First impression of just unpacking this, I thought this is not going to work on my hair. I don't like sprays. It's in a liquid form. This is not going to do it for me. So I did use this to detangle my hair and it did an okay job. For detangling, it didn't really work. But what this really has helped me out with in the morning is refreshing my hair. When I was reading the instructions, it says that it helps with moisture. So I thought, okay, if this is going to help with moisture, let me give it a shot now that it's winter. So in the mornings, I open this up. The product comes out so nicely. I generally just refresh my hair with this. It really does help keep my hair soft, moisturized, and it also helps with the tangles during the week. So that's how I've been using this Detangler and it's one of my favorite products out of all the products from the Moisture Factory. When it comes to smell, it also has a bit of a peppermint smell as well. It smells like peppermint, but it's been doing such a great job every single day. The next product is one that I also really like and it's the Custard. I didn't think that I'd like a custard. I have it in my hair at the moment, but this I absolutely love. The curl definition, the longevity during the week is amazing. This is something that I'm enjoying using. When it comes to the smell, it also smells like peppermint. I love the consistency of it. I always apply products in sections, but just the hold and the definition during the week, it's done a very, very good job in a wash and go. And I can only imagine how awesome this would be in a twist out or a braid out. And the last one is the hair elixir. I've also used this as well. I'll use it once or twice during the week to just, seal in the moisture during the week as it's cold. And mine's, I don't generally use an oil, but this one has done a fairly good job. It is an elixir, so it has an oil-like consistency, and it smells like an oil. It doesn't smell like coconut or peppermint, so this has also just helped to just seal my hair during the week. That's it, guys. Just a quick review of the Moisture Factory and the products. They are completely different from when I used them about 2 years ago. I see a vast difference in the packaging and a vast difference in, just the products themselves and the formulas. I am surprised, and I really have enjoyed using them. In the comments down below, or in the description box, I will put in whether it is Curly Girl approved or not, and it will be in the Curly Girl approved playlist if any of the products are. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me in this video. Drop your comments down below. I am happy with these products, and as I said, I've been using them off camera. Thank you for sharing your time with me, and I'll see you guys again. Bye.